Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be looking at the very inexpensive YONGNUO 50mm lens. It's a replica after the Canon original 50mm lens. It is quite inexpensive. It's around 50 bucks and has made a lot of riot between the photographers these days. So let's take it out of the box. Exactly like the Canon, it is f1.8. It comes in some sort of a bubble wrap. It has here something written in Chinese. It also has a sticker here. I believe this is the date, the date when it was made, who knows. So it comes in this bubble wrap. Okay, it also has some silica here to retain any moisture. As you can see, it looks very much the same as the original Canon. I would say it's 80%, 85% replica of the Canon. I believe this is YONGNUO's first autofocus lens. YONGNUO makes all sorts of accessories for Nikon and Canon cameras, replicas, good replicas I would say, and this 50mm isn't different. So the original Canon costs about $150. In the meantime, this only costs about $60, so it's a very good bargain. As you can see, the lens is protected by some film, some plastic film on this side, as well as on this side. It's very well protected. So I had one borrowed from my friend, and I tested it and I was very impressed by the results, so I decided to buy one, and I hope I will be happy. I'll be using this lens with the Canon 750D. The original lens, the 1855, it's a very well lens, but the 50 has an f of 1.8, so this one has an f from 3.6 to 5.6. So this lens allows more light to come in. Okay, that's about it about the unboxing of the YONGNUO 50mm lens. Give it this video a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you don't like it. Subscribe to my channel for more video like this one. So I'll see you in the future.